Hello children, today our topic is deforestation, or we can say if forest disappear. What is deforestation first? Clearing a forest by cutting trees to fulfill our need of wood and land is called deforestation. The reasons of deforestations are: number one, increase in population. With increasing population and technological advancement, more and more land is required for housing, colonies, industries, educational institutions, offices, etc. Forest area is cleared to obtain this land. Second, wood for industries. With the increase of population and better standard of living, the demand for the wood in the industries has increased many times for making various wood products, leading to the depletion of forest. Third is construction of dams. A large forest areas has to be cleared to construct a dam and causes deforestation. Fourth, forest fires. You must have heard the forest fire of California. Once the forest fire starts, it does not stop easily and many trees are burnt, causing deforestation. Now children, because of this deforestation, what happened? Okay, if forest disappear, what will happen? We call that effects of deforestation. Okay, if forests are destroyed, first is deforestation causes soil erosion. First is soil erosion. Deforestation causes soil erosion, leading to loss of soil fertility. Okay. Second is deforestation causes change in the rainfall pattern. It can change, as we know, trees, wherever the trees are there, the rain takes place due to the transpiration of the plants, but this can change rainfall pattern. Okay, deforestation can change. This is what effect of deforestation. Rainfall pattern, it can change rainfall pattern. Like the area receives less rainfall, causing drought condition. Burning of wood obtained from deforestation causes increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide. Okay, burning of wood, where forest fire takes place, what happen? Wood is burning and large amount of carbon dioxide would be produced. Okay, causes increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Excess of carbon dioxide causes air pollution. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Okay, and this will increase the temperature of our environment. Okay, and we call this global warming. Fourth is, in the absence of trees of the forest, the rainwater flows faster, causing flood conditions. Okay, because no roots of the plants are not there, nothing is there to stop this flowing water, and what will happen? The rainwater flows faster in this case and causing flood conditions. Fifth point, deforestation causes adverse climatic changes. The climate become warmer and drier. The climate will become warmer and drier. Okay, warmer and drier in the absence of humidity in the deforested area. Now children, our next topic is conservation of forest. You have seen what are the consequences of deforestation. Now we are going to discuss what? Conservation of, how can we conserve forest? Conservation of forest. First, Prevention, what is conservation? Prevention of further depletion of forest is called conservation of forest. Few measures we can take to conserve the forest. First is afforestation. Afforestation means we grow more plants. Okay. People should be made aware of the damage caused by felling of trees, like effects of deforestation. Government and communities should take steps to plant trees on a large scale. Okay, plantation of trees on a large scale is called afforestation. Large scale planting of trees is called afforestation. Then planned cultivation. This is also very important. Planned cultivation. A forest should not be cleared of all its trees. जैसे forest है उसके सारे trees we are not supposed to clear all the trees, okay, all its trees and converted into an agriculture land. This can lead to soil erosion. We can clear some part of this forest and rest part, like here we can cultivate. So this way we can protect the soil erosion. Okay. Third is some part of the field forest we cultivate and rest of the part we do not disturb. Next is prevent illegal logging. Prevent illegal okay. No space is there. What is this prevent illegal logging? Illegal logging has led to the decrease of a lot of trees over the years. The Indian government has laid down rules to prevent illegal logging by making it punishable under law. Okay, cutting of trees is what? Like smugglers, and they cut the trees and they sell, they do the smuggling of the trees, wood, timber. Okay, so government has made it punishable, that if anybody will do the cutting of tree will take place, illegal cutting of trees will take place, that person will get the punishment. Fourth, prevent overgrazing. All you know what is overgrazing? What happen in overgrazing? Suppose this is a patch of field and animals, they are eating grass there. First, when they will graze, they will eat the upper part. Okay, but second and third time they will uproot the plant. They will uproot this grass. So this is the damage. Okay, because of overgrazing, this damage takes place. Provision of sufficient pastures should be made. This green patch is what? Pastures should be made, especially in areas adjoining forest, to prevent overgrazing and trampling of growing plants by cattle. Suppose the animal entered in the forest, okay? Small plants are there. They are either they are going to eat these small plants or they will trample it. Trample means उसको उनके पाँव के नीचे आ जाएगा and they can be destroyed or uprooted. They can be die. Next is protection from forest fire. Protection forest fire. Okay, as I told you that one of the major cause of deforestation is forest fire. Forest fires are considered beneficial for plants, but they might have devastated effects on animal life and people living nearby. These forest fires can be prevented by being careful while burning debris. Fire retardants and water bombs are also used to prevent forest fires. Okay, children. So these are the measures we can take to prevent the forest from destruction, or we can say we can conserve the forest by these ways. Okay, children. Thank you.